Not good. Not good. So that's my wig review. Hey y'all, what's up, what's up, what's up? Your girl just bought her a wig. Let me tell you, I got a wig from Ashimary Wigs, and it says beauty and no limits. And you know what? They are absolutely correct. This is my first wig purchased from this company. And let me tell you, honey, they gave me a bunch of goodies. I got the HD band, not an HD band, Lord, an elastic band to lay down my wig. They sent me a couple of these powder puffs, you know, for your under your eye, a comb for your baby hairs. I got the instructions to tell me what to do with the wig. Also, they gave me, this goes in the back of the wig. So what it's going to do is going to help, it pulls the wig. So when I show you guys the wig, you're going to love this wig. They sent me the Ashimary HD wig caps. They also sent me some eyelashes, a nice headband, and some hairpins. So, and also to lay the sides of the wig down, they sent me some strips. So we'll try all of that. So now let's get into this video. I want to let you guys see my wig that I bought. And I think you're going to really love it. So the wig came in the plastic packet. And we're going to take all of this down. So I haven't worn the wig. I really didn't do anything because I wanted you to see the construction of the wig, how it looks and everything. So this is the construction of the wig. You have 2 combs and 1 in the back. You have your elastic headband. That's if you choose, if you want to take it off, you can take it off, or you can wear it down. I have lace in the back, and you see the strings right here where you can pull these strings here to wear the wig how you want. Also, I have my lace in the front, and I want to say my lace is it's 3 by 6, or it's either a 3 by 6 or a 3 by 4. I can't remember. And the hair length I bought is 14 inches long. Okay, this wig going. Okay, so what I like to do is put the strap on. Just check out the lace. Yeah, you can see the cap, but once I finish putting this on, it's going to be effortless. It's going to look really, really good on my head. The hair texture is really, really soft. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull it. It has the strings in the back. And they say you take the 2 strings, if I can find them. Okay, so we're going to cut this. So here is where I have the issue. I am just cutting along, and when I got to the ear tabs, you guys, I cut the little pull string. That was a disaster. It shouldn't have happened. Okay, you guys, I finally got this wig on my head. It took me a long time. They said it was supposed to be real easy to put it on, but the string that came in the back as I was pulling it broke. Then when I broke it, I thought it was the way it was connected that I could still pull one side of it. No, the whole thing came out. So then Ashimary, they send you extra strings, the plastic strings, with no instructions as to how to put it back on the wig. No instructions at all. None. Then the comb. The combs are not sewn in. The combs they have these two little loops of material, and the comb goes inside of the material. I can't explain it, but anyway, it kept coming out in the back. It just kept coming out. So here I am, a woman of a mature age, going through the change, okay? I start sweating. The wig wouldn't stay down because I'm sweating, because I'm like trying to lay it down. It was just a disaster. I said, okay, forget it. You broke off the string. You're just going to have to lay the lace down with the spray, with the E-bend spray. So I laid it down with some E-bend spray. And at first, I had a hard time just laying this down. So I got it laid. I finally got this all laid. It's not, trying not to pull and do too much of anything. It was just bad. I was really trying to do an honest review for you guys. But the honest thing is, the hair is pretty. The hair is soft, okay? The lace is clear. I love the lace. But me personally, I don't like that little string thing in the back. No, sir. I'm trying to do something new, and it didn't work for me. I broke it off. So I will never purchase that again. It was not, no, I'm not doing that anymore. And also with this, it took me 2 weeks to get my wig. I don't know why it took so long. And another thing, that comb, it kept coming out because, what little hair I do have, I was trying to, stick the comb in there, because sometimes the comb will help lay it down. That doggone comb kept coming out. It just kept. So I said, pull the comb out. So I pulled the comb out, and then I just went upstairs, and I don't know how it's still loose right here. I can get some glue and lay that, because it's all laced back here in the back. I laid it on this side. I didn't do this side, but of course, you can't see in the back of your head. So, but other than that, you guys, comment in the comment section if you like the hair, if you're liking the lace. This lace is off the chain. At first, I wasn't going to do the video because I was mad. So I'm not going to do this video, but no, I need to let Ashimary know. How are you going to send out a wig? Send some extra strings or whatever to put in the wig in case something happened, with no instructions as to how to do it. There were no instructions in there. None at all. And not good. Not good. So that's my wig review. That's my wig review, you guys. Now I got to put my makeup on.